Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video is actually a requested one. So many of you guys always ask me how I do my nail extensions. So here it is for you guys. I'm going to show you guys everything about nail extension, but a quick disclaimer, I am not a professional nail artist, and if you want to have your nail extension done, you can probably go to a nail salon. But if you're like me and you're in a budget, still you want to make your nails look good, you can probably follow this step up and have your nail extensions done. So yeah, these are the process through which I like to do my nails, and I'm going to show you guys every tools, materials, everything. So without any further ado, let's get into this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with my fresh clean nails, and make sure you take off your old nail polish. Then what I'm gonna do, I am just gonna show you guys my equipment box, and here I keep all my nail equipments. I think here I have some nail glue, fake nails, some cotton, orange stick, my nail filler. Here I have all my equipments. Now the first step that I'm gonna do is removing my cuticles. Now please do not trim your cuticles, just push them back with your orange stick. Your cuticles actually protect your nails from getting infected, and trimming them actually increases the chance and risk that dirt or germs can accumulate there. So just remove them, just push them back, do not trim them. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my nail buffer. You can use any nail buffer you want to use. I'm using this nail buffer to buff my nails well. This will create a slightly rough surface, making it easier for the fake nails to stick. Next step, you need to see which nail fits to your real nail accordingly. Now the largest fake nail will go on your thumbs, and the smallest will go on your little finger. Now make sure your nails fit comfortably over your real nail. Now once you find out that all your fake nails are fitting to your real nails accordingly, what you are going to do, you are going to take some glue, and you are going to dab some glue to your real nail and dab some glue to your fake nail, and then just carefully place your fake nail with your real nail very carefully. Now keep one thing in mind, to push your fake nail toward the curved line of your cuticle. Do not leave that part. You have to do it. You have to maintain the curved line of your cuticle. Just push your fake nail towards the cuticle line, towards the curved line of your cuticle. That's it. Now repeat with the remaining nails one by one. Glue each nail on using a dab of glue. Remember to press each nail for 10 seconds to make sure they are sealed tight against your real nail. Now I don't want my nails to be this much long, so I am just cutting it out with some nail cutter. You can just do it accordingly, what nail shape you want to use. If you want to have long pointy nails, you can just shape it accordingly with your nail cutter, but I want to have a medium size square kind of nail, so that's why I'm trimming it off with my nail cutter. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna again take my nail buffer, and I'm gonna shape my nails to have a desired shape. Now you can just obviously trim them, but I don't want those sharp edges on my nails right now, those pointy sharp edges, and for that I am using a nail buffer to buff them out, to blend it out with my nails, so that it don't look like fake nails. this is how my nails are looking right now. Now I'm gonna paint my nails. I have this Nika nail polish. I have this nail polish from Avon, LE18, and this nail polish from Amazon, and one nail polish from Swiss Beauty. That one is the glitter one, but I was so confused, so I thought of using this brown color. This is a really beautiful matte brown color, and I don't know the brand. You can just use any nail paint you want. I think I got this nail paint from Amazon. If I get the link, I'm gonna mention it down below for you guys. Now when you're painting your nails, you can just mess up sometimes with your nail polish, and now don't freak out. You can just take your earbud and you can just take some nail remover and you can just fix it out properly. This is how my nails are looking right now. Now I am just going to hydrate my skin. I'm just going to hydrate my nails and my hand, and I'm taking this Avon Skin Soft Hand Cream and I'm just hydrating them. And this is how my nails are looking. If you are going to ask me where these rings are from, the factory haul is coming up soon. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.